Hi guys, I'm Nirmal from Chen Valley, back here again with a new video about cryptocurrency. You have probably heard about how cryptocurrency has emerged as a popular investment option in recent years. And with the rise of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, many people are looking to invest in this new asset class. So in this video, we'll guide you through the steps to invest in cryptocurrency. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Do your research. The first step to investing in cryptocurrency is to do your research. You need to understand the basic of the technology like blockchain and the different types of cryptocurrencies available. You should also research the market trends and the potential risks involved in investing in this asset class. Some good source of information include cryptocurrency website, forums, and social media. Step 2. Set up a wallet. Once you have done your research, the next step is to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. A wallet is a digital storage space that holds your cryptocurrencies. You can choose from various types of wallets such as hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is connected to the internet, while a cold wallet is not. Cold wallets are considered more secure as they are not vulnerable to online attacks. Step 3. Choose an exchange. After setting up your wallet, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You should choose an exchange that is reputable and has a good track record. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Step 4. Verify your account. Before you can start trading on the exchange, you need to verify your account. This usually involves uploading your ID and other personal information. The verification process can take some time, so be patient. Step 5. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you can fund it with fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. You can use a credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods to fund your account. It is important to note that some exchanges may charge fees for deposits and withdrawal. Step 6. Place your order. After funding your account, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You can choose from various types of order, such as market orders and limit orders. A market order is executed at the best available price, while a limit order is executed at a specific price. There you have it guys, 6 quick and simple steps to investing in cryptocurrencies. Also, before we end this video, do remember that investing in cryptocurrency can be a profitable investment option, but it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you soon in another video. Please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ciao.